Initially, food voucher program was $30 food voucher, and this year we increased it to $50. Given the fact that we wanted the families under our social welfare to have a wide range of other food for the family, and what we've done is we've started our visit to all MHS stores. We started with bar, just to check on the quality of the products that is up for the welfare recipients. And at the same time, we engaged MHs in a promotional promotion for our social welfare recipients to be able to get more than the food voucher. And this was in terms of getting equipment and tools to assist them with some income generating projects. And we are thankful that MHs came on board. And for this year actually, during Christmas, the promotion was held, and they gave us agricultural hampers, which included sprays, vegetable seeds, fertilizers, equipment tools. They also came up with brush cutters as prizes, sewing machines, and solar panels. So apart from visiting these stores, what we have done is we've started to give out the promotional prizes. We've started with three winners in Ba. They received 2 agricultural hamper packs and 1 sewing machine. And coming down to Nadi, we have given out another 2 sewing machines to families already under that. And this also gives us an opportunity to look at some of the complaints that the recipients had. And one of that was that the products under the food voucher were somehow not of the quality. But I can assure the public that we have inspected the items under, if you may see the items under the listing of the food voucher program, and I'm satisfied that the products are of good quality, and MHS has assured us that they will continue to provide the customer service. And you can see we've started with Nadi, and they have allocated a whole section for the items that come under the food voucher program. And I would like to thank the management of MHS, and of course encourage the recipients to come and choose from the wide variety of products that MHS has for them. And from here, next week, we will visit other stores and see that we maintain the trust of the public and maintain the service delivery that we owe to the public.